Kujo.
Kujo painting.
Kujo.
Kujo made a great video about this. Kujo Miniature Painting made a fantastic video where he walks you through all the shapes and shows all that off. You should absolutely watch it. And frankly, he made, I would say, the seminal video on it.
Now, this is a channel which you definitely should be watching if you like painting.
Man, Kujo makes some good content.
Because he is very inspirational, down to the fact that he is an amazing, amazing painter. And he makes some fantastic painting tutorials.
Man, Kujo has been like a huge inspiration to me. I still want to learn how to do his non-metallic metal, that like blue steel. I know he's put a video out on it.
It's very inspirational to see how a top-end, amazing painter paints. And I would say he's probably the best painting tutorial channel in terms of high-quality painting on YouTube.
Oh my god. Well, in typical Kujo fashion, he slams it out of the park. Looks like he did a Blood Bowl miniature, and it just looks absolutely phenomenal. As usual, this guy is knocking it out of the park with everything he does. I am jealous of the quality he gets and just the amount of results he gets. It's not evident just from this one picture, but he also paints things pretty quickly, and he finishes them pretty fast. Kujo has a YouTube channel. If you want to check him out, it's in the description below. He's a great painter. He makes fun videos. Be sure to check him out.
Going to look more like Kujo painting. I'm not saying that I'm as good painter that he